Hello, I'm Dr. Bonnie Rabin, Educational and College Admissions Consultant and founder of College Career Consulting. In another one of our videos, we talked a little bit about some of the factors that are important in getting into college, and I highlighted the importance of the college essay. In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit with you about the types of essays that are required and how we go about writing them. When you're submitting your application for college can go through one of three places. 1, the common application, 2, the coalition application, or 3, a college's specific admissions portal. What all three of these sources have in common is that all will require a college admissions essay. Your college essay is your opportunity to set yourself apart from the tens of thousands of students who are equally qualified in terms of their GPA and similar extracurricular experiences. What your college essay does, your core essay, there are a series of questions, but they all point to the same thing. Who are you? What do you want to share with your admissions officer about how your experiences throughout high school or life, or in your community or in your family, how they shaped you, the lessons you learned, the transformation that you've experienced from a child through being a young adult that has prepared you and brings you to the point where you're ready to join the freshman class on a college campus. All college essays shouldn't be forced. There's no expectation. There's no magic formula. You're essentially telling a story about yourself that is authentic and heartfelt, that reveals to the admissions officer something about you that is attractive. Not in the way that says, I volunteered 100 hours at the community soup kitchen, but it's attractive because it shows a maturity and a sense of purpose that is authentic. I ask students to start with a simple exercise. Think about the experiences of the most joyful or sometimes the most sorrowful and how they changed you throughout high school. What are the things you're most proud about yourself? What would your friends or parents say about you that's a little bit of a window into your character? Some of the best essays I've read are actually pretty entertaining. They don't have to be literary masterpieces. They're just a great story about a person that shows you're passionate about something, you've lived life to your fullest, and you connect well with others. Once the student has finished working on their Common Core essay or their coalition essay, again, that's the piece that just gives us a sense of who you are, what you're passionate about, how you connect with others, and what are the things that are most meaningful to you, demonstrating how you have come to the point where you're ready to join a campus community. We switch gears and we start to focus on college supplemental essays. This essay will be unique to a specific college, and for the most part, the essay is some format of why do you want to study biology at Boston University, or why is the creative writing program at Swarthmore College fit you? And what we do in those essays are fairly straightforward. We go back to the work we've done in 10th or 11th grade in exploring college research and how did we land at that college? What were the faculty, resources, or courses that were most inviting? And we connect the dots, the things that you might have done in high school classes or summer programs, and how they prepared you for the study ahead. The earlier you start your college research, the more clearly you can articulate who you are in a way that will set you apart from tens of thousands of other well-qualified applicants like yourself. Admissions officers face a daunting task. Students all bring the same courses, great GPA, and experiences. What we want to do is find out how to balance our freshman class, and the only way to figure that out ultimately rests with what you've written on paper about yourself in a way that allows us to know you as a person. Thank you so much.